Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days and 5 minutes on this lovely Saturday. Although now as we move into the evening hours, we're starting to see high clouds come into the west, and we can say goodbye to the comfortable humidity and transition over into a warmer and more humid air mass. And those clouds will be increasing tonight, helping to hold temperatures down. Meanwhile, weather across the southeast is pretty nice. There's not a whole lot going on as far as showers and thunderstorms are concerned. And we do have low pressure that has developed east of the Florida East Coast. You can clearly see the low-level circulation swirling around, but you can also see that there's not a whole lot of convection on the west side of the low center. All of the convection is on the east side, so the system remains rather disorganized and somewhat sheared. Has a chance that this could still become a tropical depression over the next couple of days. It looks like it's drifting slowly west or west-southwest toward the Florida coast, so naturally we will keep an eye on this. There's also some convection popping up in the Gulf of Mexico, but we're not too concerned about that. And there isn't a whole lot with respect to showers and thunderstorms going on at the moment. Here in the Northeast, it's quiet, but with this warm front approaching, you can see showers in southeastern Canada, extending down into northwestern Pennsylvania, and those are moving east-southeastward, so it looks like we'll probably get into maybe a couple of showers during the early morning hours till about 7 or 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Weather in 5 is brought to you by Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini, your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, New York on Long Island. That's either if you want your home decorated or maybe you want to do this as a business. 631-957-5106. And the website is liholidaylighting.com. And also Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York. Also on Long Island in Southwest Suffolk County. 631-756-1125 for the best prices in town. OmniTrueValue.com. As far as the severe weather is concerned, you can see that there's a slight to marginal risk that covers the Great Lakes back over into northern Missouri. We've been put on the edge of the general thunderstorms, and that's with that warm front that's coming through late tonight, the first thing tomorrow morning. And then for tomorrow, as a cold front approaches, the Storm Prediction Center has a marginal risk of severe weather from the Hudson Valley, western Massachusetts, western Connecticut, to about New York City, northern New Jersey, southwestern New Jersey, back into Pennsylvania, and down over into West Virginia, northeast Virginia, northern Virginia, and much of the state of Maryland. And that's for tomorrow. I think there will be some scattered showers and thunderstorms late in the day tomorrow, and maybe one or two of those storms could become severe. With respect to rainfall over the next 7 days, not a whole lot. There's more rain up to the north in upstate New York and northern New England, and a bit more rain to the south across the mid-Atlantic states into the southeast, but nothing really exceptional. Just some heavier rains for Florida, and of course a lot will depend on that low that's offshore. Getting some rains in the southwest and also in the Rockies, and that's good news because this air is very, very dry indeed. So over the next week or so, we're going to continue to be in this northwest flow in the upper atmosphere, and that's going to bring weather systems through from time to time. You see the flow here coming from the northwest. Now, the good thing about that is that any tropical system is not going to be able to move up the east coast. So what we have here down in Florida is going to move west or west-southwest. There's an east-west upper high here, and that's going to try to steer it into the Gulf of Mexico. Again, not sure whether this is going to wind up developing. The conditions are only marginally favorable for development, but with our weather, I'll just move the maps over the next 7 days. You kind of see that northwest flow pretty much holds. Now, there are troughs that are going to be coming through this week with weak cold fronts, and each one may produce a threat for showers and storms. Looks like one may come through late Tuesday. Another one toward the end of the week, along about late Thursday, and then going into next weekend, we may have a shot of dry air. That northwest flow holds on, by the way, until we're into about August 4th or 5th, and then we start to see it pull out just a little bit, but we're kind of still sitting here on the edge of it. So let's take you through the rest of the weekend. With this warm front goes by tonight, a couple of showers tomorrow morning, Should be done by 8 or 9 o'clock a.m. Then we'll go partly sunny. It'll be very warm and humid. Temperatures would be in the mid 80s to near 90. And then a late day shower or thunderstorm with a upper trough going by. And it's going to hang around just offshore on Monday, but then it gets pushed out. So I think Monday should be okay, partly sunny. The air behind this front, by the way, is no cooler than the air ahead of it. So we'll be in the mid 80s to near 90 on Monday and Tuesday, and then a front with some showers and storms late Tuesday night. That front kind of gets hung up again. We've been doing that a lot lately. And then as we move into the end of the week, along about Thursday or Friday, we have a warm front that goes by to our north, and then another cold front that tries to shoot through sometime on Friday, and that should be followed by a dry air mass for the weekend. Weather in 5 brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware, 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, 631-756-1125 for the best prices in town, omnitruevalue.com. And Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini, your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, New York, 631-957-5106. LIHolidaylighting.com is your website. So enjoy what's left of this day. Watch for a few showers tomorrow morning, maybe some thunderstorms late in the day for Sunday, and partly sunny skies in between, and a marginal risk for severe weather. The Joe and Joe Weather Show taking Sunday off. We'll be back Monday night at 7:30 Eastern Time.